everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Karina. Hey! He did put a hole in my basic training sweater. Baby, I was telling people you're like really good. And what are you doing? Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Karina Bunaduk and today I'm gonna show you how I put wallpaper on my hallway wall using adhesive. I can't believe I got through the intro without my guinea pig nor my puppy making noise. My puppy. He's like my poppy seed, or like what's up with that?
Wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place. Oh yeah. Make special memories.
This is the second wall that I used this method on, so to be fair, this one came out way better than the first one. The first one was in the bathroom, and I'll put the bathroom video up here for you guys. First, I just want to say that I prepped the wall with the primer paint for wallpaper from Home Depot, and then I just took the wallpaper and I measured it to see where I need to cut it. It comes in a big roll, and it's kind of hard as you can see because nothing is holding it up and it's rolling down on my face, but you just gotta approximately cut, leave yourself maybe like 3 or 4 inches on the top and on the bottom so you know how far to cut. I just thought about this. You can also measure how tall your wall is and put it on the floor and just cut how tall it is plus 6 to 8 inches, you know, so you have 3 or 4 on the top and 3 or 4 on the bottom. As always, I remembered, or I figured out a better way of doing it as I'm talking to you guys, because you know, something with retrospect, hindsight, let me Google it. 2020 vision is... Hindsight is 2020. It's really late and I'm rambling, so let's get through this. You cut the wallpaper and it's already primed, and then put a lot of adhesive on the wall, and this is what I learned from my other wallpapering in the bathroom where I couldn't really move the wallpaper and I have a really tiny spot where it doesn't match completely. But if you have a lot of adhesive, you can move it around on the wall. Now, since my wallpaper had lines on it, it had to be straight, so I didn't put it so it matches on the edge. I put it so the lines are straight down, and then I cut with a cutter on the side so that way it looks even. And then I put the other side on there. It was like super easy. Just because it's with adhesive, I don't want you to get discouraged and not do it. What I will say though, the wallpaper that I did in the bathroom had flowers on it and the pattern had smaller lines, so it was not a good first wallpaper to put up because you have to match it perfectly. With the first wallpaper that I put up, I didn't know any better, so the adhesive was kind of drying because I wasn't fast enough, and that way you get bubbles. Try your best to be really fast, put the adhesive everywhere, and then put that wallpaper on, but you can move it around a little bit and then you should be fine. I want you to be ready for that possibility, and if you can't live with the lines not matching perfectly, maybe this is not for you. Maybe try to peel and stick. I don't have any experience with it, but I see a lot of YouTubers that are doing it. I want to say that I bought the wallpaper from Serena and Lily, and they just sent me this in the mail, and it was so unexpected. I was planning on doing this video and I actually got it in the mail today. The wallpaper is really high quality and the pattern was easier to match than the one in the bathroom. I can't emphasize enough. Get a pattern that's like really big, and you would think that would be easier to match because that's very important, and if you don't, it's not gonna look the greatest. But I believe in you. You got this. You can do it. Show me if you put wallpaper up after you watch this video. Show me. I want to see it. I'm gonna share the hallway with you. I am not ever gonna, not ever. You can't say never, but I'm not gonna share how I put the barn door up because I am horrible at finding studs. Hopefully one day I'll get it, or I get better tools to find them. I don't know how, you know, maybe in time. Practice makes perfect. How many cliches can I say in 1 minute? I'm not sure. Somebody count for me and let me know in the comments below how many cliche phrases I said in this video. So the barn door has been up for a couple months. It is holding really well. As you know from my other videos, I have my bedroom that is green and pink, and I have the living room that's gonna be green and pink, and then the kitchen is like a navy and white. So I wanted to have some red, and I thought that was the perfect place for it. And the brown mirror I had before, and I thought the red and the brown looked really well. Now my entrance in the attic, I wanted to have the pattern, since it's like vertical, I wanted it to match, but I mistakenly did it the opposite way and I left it like that because I was done wallpapering, and I actually don't hate it. I kind of like it. Everybody that came over said it was an unexpected feature because, you know, I don't even know how that idea came about, but that piece of wood looked horrible. So I didn't even film that. I just did the same thing. I put the adhesive on there and I put the wallpaper on there. I think it looks very slick with like all the black hardware, and I hope I inspired you to wallpaper something in your house. And I think I already said that. So on that note, I will let you go. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the YouTube algorithm, and I will see you next time. Take care. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name oh no, there was no break there. So this is this, so of course I had to start with a so. So yes, so now now, you know what, I don't even oh my god. I'm gonna show you the whole way, whole way. Oh, I wasn't looking at the camera, was I? I don't think so. What is that?